I'm Stephanie. I am the SoftWave specialist here at SWTRT Chiropractic Center. I've got Loopy here with me today to talk about SoftWave and the experiences he had. So tell us a little bit about the condition you were in about a year ago from today.
Well, when I first came here through a recommendation, I could barely walk. My sciatic was so bad. I was literally in tears. I could not walk, and I called here, and Dr. Hall got me in right away that day.
Yeah, that was
And
awesome.
It was, and it is so much better now. I mean, the 99% of the pain is gone, except for when I keep hurting myself when I'm kiteboarding.
Of course.
Yeah.
So Loopy came in, he could hardly walk, he tried decompression therapy, he was getting adjusted, he tried the SoftWave, and we've got him here walking today. One of the really cool things was he never had to stop working. Loopy lives a very busy lifestyle, so never had to stop work, never had any surgery, no injections, nothing like that. So we've got you here today. How's your back feeling today?
Fantastic.
Nice.
So I'm on my feet a lot. So we come in for regular tune-ups with Dr. Hall for the chiropractic, and then of course, you know, we have spots that are bothering me. We come and do the SoftWave with you. We've worked on the knees, the sciatic, the hips, and even the hands, and it's worked out tremendously.
Yeah, we definitely keep Loopy in shape here. So what would you say if anybody else was in the same condition as you? Would you recommend?
Well, I've had a lot of people ask me about it because they were recommended to come here, and they said, what do you think about that? I said, definitely do that. I said, the healing process is so much faster.
Yeah.
It's, you know, within days I feel so much better.
Yeah, that's awesome. That is so cool. Well, there you have it. We've got Loopy here. You'd recommend SoftWave as well.